有個同事跟個學生走出嚟，特登步去嘅，入去伏到佢有啲嘢啊，咁啊冇咩啦，其實遮都唔帶得其實，遮要放喺地下啊，所以所有嘢你幻想得到可以插到擺到紙嘅嘢咧，你都唔可以做。啊，其實好多規矩嘅，可以係咁啊。其實我都唔會太要求高啊，係你哋啲筆袋啊 ，OK， 所有筆拎晒出嚟個筆袋就放喺地下。啊，電話一定閂啦，呢樣嘢一定㗎啦。啊 ，OK， 咁冇咩特別啊。同埋我話俾你聽，曾經試過啊。你電話一定放喺地下啊。理論上咧，要唔好冚住俾人睇到你有部電話放喺地下嘅。試過又捉過咧，又考試就拎個電話出嚟掃，然後抄，睇正我企在後邊都望住咁抄。OK， 啊，轉到正啦又係，好得 OK 啊。OK， 基本上係到上下嘢啦嚇。咁啊，無止境咁多就係你最重要就係你覺得你無需要令人哋覺得你瓜田李下嘅嘢啦。啊，好多瓜田李下。唔好望住隔離一個啦，你唔好同我講話隔離個女仔靚啊，我不接受呢樣嘢啊。雖然嗰個女仔可能真係靚嘅。但係你唔可以用呢個藉口啊 ，OK？ 咁我亦都會講話，你呢個靚仔靚啊，好靚真好靚咯，OK？ 總之你又唔好用呢個藉口啦 ，OK 嚇？咁樣 OK？ 嗱，今堂嚟講，我會繼續 revision。revision 嚟講。已經教開咗傻傻地。本來預備嘅嘢，因為睇緊極度匆忙咧，搞到亂晒大陸。忘記咗唔緊要。咁我哋記住講咧，我哋有3個question 啦，測驗嚟講 ，we have 3 questions in a test, a midterm test. For the midterm test, the first test, one of the questions I told you, there will be the retaining wall. I compare retaining wall. Some people have some more thing about retaining wall want to learn more. Okay, no problem. I will spare next lesson will talk to you some more. However, this lesson I maybe tell you other thing. You may know that in examination, you have 5 questions. The first question is about settlement. The second question about retaining wall. The third question about slope. The fourth question is about bearing capacity. The last question is about power. Okay? In test, you have 3 questions. Not should be in order. 1 question related to retaining wall. 1 question related to consolidation only. Okay, although we're talking about settlement, but for the test, some part of settlement outside the syllabus, outside the boundary for your study, and 1 question about slope. It is for test. Okay. So what is common? Maybe common is related to settlement. Okay. The settlement. Okay, I maybe give you some photo. And when you want to, one day, you want to confess your sin. Okay, you want to confess your sin. You will be looking at a course. 嗱，有一日嚟講，如果你一日我哋覺得我做得太多衰嘢啦嘛，咁你望住個十字架可能嚟到為咗你嚟到贖罪啦。God bless you. Okay, what it costs? A cost is an element like that. And the other element like that. Okay. Then with a one, with it like that. Okay. So when you are forced, what is a note under here? 如果你有個十字架，下面插到係乜嘢？On no. Okay? However, you have to confess, so they will kneel down. Okay, to facing the cross. Maybe. However, when you're facing, kneel down something here. Okay, it is a circular cylinder. It is a cylinder. Okay, a cylinder. I remember a cylinder here. Okay, what is cylinder like that? The cylinder is a circle. Can you consider it is a pot? You cannot consider it is a pot. It is a something area. Okay. Yes. One day, you do a lot of wicked things. 你做咗好多衰嘢。Okay.
Go to church and confess your sin.
You may, have a course, and you may kneel down, somewhere here, or facing the cross. I concern one thing, because you do a lot of wicked things. Will you fall down? Why you fell down? Because it may have settlement. 嗱，你都覺得太衰嘢啦，OK，跪喺度就石板度，對住個十字架，你都可能成個沉咗落去，點解咧 ？settlement 啊嘛，OK Yes, I talking about settlement. Which topic we talking about settlement? 邊一課講 settlement？ Will you find?
Maybe. Is it?
Okay, good student. Settlement. Settlement due to a concentrated load. We're using that equation. So, sigma P over 2 pi Z square 1 ounce over Z square 5 over 2. That is the Herschel. But sometimes it's not upon no, it is a circle. Not upon no, due to a circular loaded area. What is the equation using? Sigma log 1 minus 1 over 1 plus b over 2 is z square b over 2. What if b now? Yes. Okay, understand? Okay. Even those sometimes we call it examination or test. Generally, don't want you to remember many things, so we will give you the equation. Even though I give you equation, what if b? You don't know. Because nobody is required to give you that picture. And that picture. Understand? 好多人都明白啦，好似。Okay, so tonight, okay, you kneel down in front of cross to confess your sin.
Forgive me, Father.
Okay,
Just like Jesus.
咁啊，其實咧好簡單啊。OK 當你跪喺一個圓形嘅石屎板上邊對住個十字架，你好擔心一樣嘢就係、遭天譴啦！你真係做咗錯事多，你都會墮落去的話，咁啊邊度墮落去啊？我咪關心可能就係 the settlement are not here. Always, maybe not like that. Generally, maybe they are layer soil. Okay, for example, they are layer soil. Okay, I don't know what is the layer soil. Maybe Marine Cay. 當係 Marine Cay ，OK， 啲海泥啦當係。OK, I'm concerned about Marine Cay because when I fill the site to construct this site, before I construct this site, I had not dredged out the soil because I am really vigilant body. I have no money to dredge them. I leave the soil under here. Okay, and then I fill up them. For example, fill up them. Okay, then they are a pink also like that. And then so what I'm concerned, maybe the settlement of the layer soil. Yeah, I'm concerned the settlement of the layer soil. Pay attention that. Yes, I have only 25 marks. That means I have only give you half an hour to calculate one question. You cannot calculate many things. Okay, so you pay attention to that. What I ask you, what I want you to answer, consolidation settlement or massive settlement.
So settlement 25 marks.
Okay, so but even though elastic settlement or consolidation settlement, what you need to know. 如果我 consolidation settlement 我嘅elastic settlement 人哋 consolidation settlement 啦，尤其係 consolidation settlement 咧，我要知乜嘢啊？要知佢幾厚啦，謝啦。哎呀，忘記咗條色點嘅，有冇話俾我聽條色點？又忘記。OK， CC over 1 plus H log H. What is log H? Log H what that? One plus E log. You correct? Okay, log. Okay, sigma log plus delta sigma over sigma log. Okay, everything multiplied by H. The H or put down here, up to you. 係咪咁樣啊 ？So easy. I don't calculate everything. CC I can give you. E log I can give you. Okay, what is sigma log? What is sigma log? 我乜都俾晒你啦。Okay, pay attention that what is the question of talking about. In I question of talking about, I want to load the melting case, the second one, or that layer. I give you H, I give you E log, I give you CC. Okay, all in the real situation, CC, you order laboratory text to text it to give you data. E log, you order laboratory text to give you data. H, you will get out from your GI. Okay, so it can be got here. 嗱 CC 嚟講就揾 test 嚟攞嘅 ，E log 嚟就 test 攞嘅 ，H 就係轉態攞嘅。OK， so what I need to know sigma log and delta sigma. Okay, sigma log. I want to know. Okay, the additional for field, that pain, the cost all together. Okay, so sigma log is the pressure from here to here. For reclamation, water is filled here. Okay, so it's all underwater should be. 嗱咩水嚟講啲水壓落去嘛，咪全部濕晒咯。OK 啊，so sigma log calculate from here OK， 咁嚟計啦咁有啲人嚟講就會過分啲咧，就話我係咪等落水面啦？咁水面嚟計咧就又唔同計法啦。咁我會盡量咧會 set up OK 個 water table 就喺原初度嚟嘅面啦。咁大家唔使拗。OK， 咁sigma log you can calculate. Or how to calculate? OK, the density minus water density multiplied by the depth D. Okay, easy. Okay, how about delta sigma log? Okay, delta sigma log is P part. 邊啲令到去增加 the pressure? First of all, the field 幾重啊 ？Additional field. Okay, the other thing is, okay, what you nail down and the cost. Okay, so easy. Because already have equation 就 put it down. 你有 equation put 去單落去咯，好簡單。其實我哋呢啲好簡單，OK， 唔好影相啦，OK， 又要改卷真係慘，又要改嗰份卷。OK, 3P, what is P? P is the weight. OK, what is P? A cost. Can you make calculation of cost? The weight of the cost. If I give you, for example, give you the density for concrete is 24 kilonewton per meter cube. Okay, you can calculate. 好簡單 ，volume 乘以 density 啦 ，unit weight 啦 ，OK Pay attention that the cost never later ponder on the ground level. It should be insured with some distance. It should be insured into some distance. That distance I get out of B or maybe BC. I call it BC. Okay, so insured with some distance. It insured from some distance. I calculate out. What is out? Out is from here to here to be out. So instead I count from here to here is Z. You correct? Okay. So I not start from ground. 留意我一定會落去頂度咯。Okay. Yes. Okay. Okay. Yes. Laying a circular thing, the concrete thing. Okay. Pay attention that what I put up underground or above ground. Different. 我睇幅相先，我幅相中咗落地下嘅。OK 啊 ，OK，so come to confession 先大家走去祈求上主拯救你啊。OK，I think the God will save you. OK，God bless you 搞掂。It is not difficult, but you should understand what you are, what you is, and what you hear. And that one you kill not. Pressure, kill not against pressure 嚟噶嘛 ？B 係直徑啊嘛，二先係深度啊嘛。OK。Generally, when you confess your sin, okay, kneel down in secular pain, okay, then you praise your God. You are laughing. Compare the weight of the concrete. Okay? Don't consider your existence. No less to consider you. For you are nothing. OK 你覺得你自己，我嘅微小嘅我在上帝面前，在我嗰嚿石屎上面，我加咗幾多力？雖然我100磅重，好肥咁樣幾重都好咧。對於嚿石屎嚟講，你係微不足道。OK，no less to account you 所以變咗嚟講，都唔會話俾你聽你幾重但係有機會嚟講咧，希望會啦有一種人叫外評啦，外評話：喂，你唔加埋嗰個人嘅重量咧，唔真實喎咁樣。如果你加埋人重量的話咧，咁會點咧？你變成喺個圓傾裏邊再加多一個 point 咯。個 point 就用呢個再計多個，變成咁樣咯。不過冇到衰應該。OK 係啊，唔緊要到26咪 R 咯，咪得 R 咯，咪等於 R 咯。到26就得 R 咯，係嘛？唔緊要呢個不過就我唔知佢點計分啫，嗰時候好難砌嘅25分，砌到啱好。OK so okay for you, I suppose that for you study a settlement. Don't think that the equation will given you, so don't necessarily study. I at least study how to use it. 你點用咗 equation 係最緊要。equation 一定俾你。有個講法就係你到 degree level，冇理由淨要你背嘢。背嘢嚟講係唔係 degree level？俾人鬧過即係你上嚟你唔好誤會你要背嘢，好多時候唔需要背嘢，背親都係唔會高分，都唔知點解。B over 2 Q log 係乜嘢？OK， and also you may need to calculate about the rate. So however, in our test, I will not talking about settlement. Yeah, not talking about settlement. Okay, so what can you do? I concern only consolidation. Consolidation is very difficult, in fact, because you have a different equation. But yes, I concern thinking that 2-layer soil. 2-layer soil. Okay, what is the consolidating settlement? And then 呢個細佬嘅the pressure is given by I putting some concrete for preloading. I tell you that I have 9 layers of concrete pitch. Yes, concrete is 1.5 times 1.5, or maybe not. Okay, I train it. It's very difficult to calculate. This concrete pitch is 1 meter times 1 meter times 1 meter. With the density of concrete, usually is 24 kilonewton per meter cube. Okay? So, what is the extra pressure? I tell the concrete pitch. What is the extra pressure on the soil? 如果我呢已經有2陣layer啦，我話俾你聽，我而家要放到 concrete pitch 喺度，9層係9層 pitch。9層 pitch 嚟講咧，我問 additional pressure 喺呢2陣 layer 係幾多？幾多？我唔好講9層啦，最容易啲計啦，唔使撳機啦，10層啦，10層啦 ，addition layer
即係10粒磚啊？
係咯，即係幾多？乘10咯 240 kilonewton per meter square or 240 kPa。P 係咩啊 ？Newton per meter square 嘛 ？OK 啊，係咪啊？係咪啊？一去到呢度，大家就會，如果你好頭先好留心我聽書的話咧，你即刻諗多樣嘢啦。喂 ，circular loading， 我係用呢條 equation 喎 ，pond load 用呢條 equation 喎。咁啊，如果我 rectangular load 用呢條 equation 嚟計喎 load pressure 啊，咁我究竟用邊條 equation 計咧？下邊 pressure 應該？定係我 assume 佢40個 spread 啊？係咪？我諗到呢樣嘢啦，係咪大家諗呢樣嘢啊？啱啊，啱咧，錯晒。OK 嗱，多數嚟緊話俾你聽嚇，土木工程嘅嘢並唔係深嘅。只不過係要你去理解、明白、清楚發生嘅事。冇事唔好能亂搞到有事啊！好似冇嘢 OK。點解 OK 呢嚿嘢？如果第日有咁嘅情形之下，你嗰個 pressure 嚟講，仍然係240個 kPa。你唔使 step 去，唔使用頭先咁多條式嚟計，點解？因為我嗰嚿嘢係當係無限遠咁大，我成塊地鋪滿晒。如果你係一個局部方形，我用方形嗰條式計；你鋪到圓形用圓形嘅式計。如果鋪到係一嚿磚拆嘅一條咧，我就用第一條式計。如果我鋪到成塊面係砌滿晒的話，佢基本上所有 pressure 直落。呢 呢個就話睇緊你會唔會清醒。工程就係咁樣㗎啦。OK， 你記住啊，恰當啊！你話 OK， 我又識呢嚟識啊，又識嚟識啊，乜嘢識地實啊，我乜都識啊。OK， 咁你係死啦，你乜都唔識。OK 啊 ，OK，so the additional force is simply have a layer to pick up a concrete multiplied by the unit weight simple。咁直頭計乘落去搞掂㗎啦，唔需要咁困難。Okay，then you maybe calculate the original pressure. You calculate the original pressure, and then the equation again. Okay, anybody tell me the equation? Okay, log, sigma log, delta sigma log, h， 聽到人就背咗啦。Okay, easy. Okay 嚇 ，that easy 嚇。Okay, you maybe tell me that. Okay, I had a different case. I remember you had take up some solve first, or some case with consolidation settlement. You like that? I tell you later more. 我遲啲會同你講多啲。OK 嚇 ，OK。咁我哋有時嚟講就想大家開心啲啦嚇。點啊開心啦 ？OK。阿 Sir 真係好啊，俾足個分我㗎嘛，我咪開心咯 OK。咁我唔可以俾面我俾足分你㗎嘛。OK 嚇。咁好簡單咧 ，delta sigma。OK，so there will be yes I 20 multiplied by 30。3我哋測驗係20分，20分裏邊嘅1/5即係20%，即係幾多？8分啊？1/5 20%，10%即係2啦。OK， 即係4啦。OK， 總分4分就咁少嘅，都好啦。OK， 咁yes I occupy 20 mark. So where is the 30 mark？ 咁20分係咁樣啦，多30分喺邊度啊 ？OK， 30分嚟講就基本上我哋會係 consider slope 斜坡。Stability the slopes. So stability, okay, for so stability, 上次我哋帶過你哋行啦，上年唔係前年啊，呢個寶山道我本來今年我想搞一次，就政府封咗個隧道啊，維修，所以而家我哋等緊佢。因為你哋其實你哋有呢班有好多都冇去過嘅，咁我去咗2年前啦，都係拉住去過啫多咯，係寶山道嗰時候嗰陣時嚟講就嗰班學生都好多都畢咗業，我係想搞轉嘅，就 tunnel tunnel。You go within long time ago. I want to to do to have one more leases, but the government has repaired all the tunnels. OK， 咁斜坡嚟講咧，其實啲寨都唔緊要嘅。OK， 因為每年咧都要唔同啦，即係我都諗到頭都大埋。咁上年就必索定乜嘢咧？冇啦，再答啦 ，OK But I think that sometimes when you that case is about when is that case here? When I said that find it into the zero. So first of all, question is easy. All question is easy. What calculation? Don't worry about calculation. First of all, you understand. When I will be using that case, when find it into the zero. 如果翻嚟你零嘅 so you check check the question to you or check the kind given the information or the information you find. 如果你嘅 information 揾到出嚟嗰啲嚟翻係啲零嘅or you found that the condition is similar to undrained condition. Undrained condition that means the water will drain out the soil. 你嗰度泥嚟講，佢係 model 到成啲水係會流走嘅。That is undrained condition. 啲水唔流走就 undrained condition. That is a total check analysis of the opposed or opposed. No need to consider all water fraction. Or child sleep, so like that. Then you can use in that equation. 咁你可以用呢條 equation 計，非常簡單。如果就咁計的話，我俾晒你D 係乜嘢W係乜嘢L 係乜嘢咁你計非常之容易。實際上喺個世界上邊，真正 case 係唔可能俾晒你。So for that question, easy to make revision. 希望冇人嘈啦，嘈的話要改題目，都唔知點搞。The revision you mean you refer to my tutorial. Tutorial 已經講晒出嚟。tutorial 幾多？4。This day I will help you to go through the tutorial. 同你高呼下個 tutorial 啦，之前都冇認真高呼過，今次再高呼下啦。In your generally, I'm not talking about a question. Question is set up by people. I talk about a real situation. In real situation. In real situation, what you can cut is only A, B, and then when the slope can be extended to, so C, and then D, all that A, B, C, D is not given by people. Some is given by people, or some is you can take out from yourself. 你卡又話緊或者俾你聽，我想 cut 一個 slope， 或者 form 一個 slope， 呢個 slope 係點嘅樣去地下 extend 邊度？我會幾尺，甚至佢只不過係一個 contour 俾你都 requirement 之後。然後拎 even 到依嚿嘢要你畫跟住畫完之後你就 point out 咗 A、B、C 同 D 你 point out 到呢樣嘢，咁係後邊啲嘢咧你唔知，甚至係依點你鏟到邊度你都唔知嘅咁你要逐個計所以變咗咧喺出邊做真真正正真真正正數嚟嘅，真真正温機嘅其實係。如果真真正正用手計咧出邊咧，你會畫晒呢幾個，然後咧你 assume 一個 point， 然後試下你計後面嘅嘢，跟住你最重要知道咧目的咪啦。呢啲相就唔好再留喺度啦，算啦。 OK，what your aim？Your aim is find out all parameter CULARWOD，等要 find the factor series。你目的係揾咗一樣嘢，咁你要揾一個目的之後，你就可以好易揾佢啦。So then A B C D I give you even E I don't know E 我都唔知㗎，其實係So therefore you want to find out them I give a suggestion. First of all, I find out the radius. Then I've shown that part. Then find radius from here. So you can use in that equation. 不是定理啊。Radius. 呢兩個相減變成呢個 radius. Then the one thing, and then I want to find out. If I found that radius, that means that radius, that length is same to that length because they are radius， 係咪？咁因為我係一個叫做圓形㗎嘛，我控到佢的話就一定 radius 啦，係咪啊？啱先？嗱呢啲 logic 你知啊。點解我呢個係等於個 OE 等於 PAOB 咧？就因為我哋圓形畫落去。係啦，咁一定係啦咁變咗一嚿嘢啦。跟住咧，我要問乜嘢咧？我諗下alpha one alpha two。點解我揾 alpha one alpha two 咧？因為我想揾 beta one beta two beta three 一路揾落去啊。alpha one 點解揾 alpha one 啊？因為我有 E 同 C 係嘛 ？E 同 C。點解 alpha two 啊？有 O 同 C 啊嘛。咁我咪揾到 angle 啦 ，angle 乜嘢 ？tangent alpha one，tangent alpha two。我有兩點，我咪揾到 tangent 咯，係嘛？識唔識到 equation？ 我最緊要係 tangent 係乜嘢？何謂 tangent？tangent I think it alpha one is that length divided by that length. So tangent alpha one is equal to h over l. Correct? Then you find out alpha one. 係咪啊 ？So h is y of e minus y of c. L the h of e minus h of c 係咪 ？coordinate 嚟㗎嘛？咁E 到 H 係乜嘢？E 嗰個 y，hy 咧 ，y 減咗 c 就 y， 咪呢個高度咯。拎嚟講就係 E 嗰個 x 減咗 c 就 x， 係咪長度咯？就咁簡單啦。So alpha two is that one。alpha two that one。So tangent alpha 2 is equal to that h over l h over l that h is different that h is O 嘅 y 減於 c 嘅 y 係咪 L 咧調轉個 c 個 h 減 O h 係嘛嗱你唔清楚的話有張 next sheet 有張 cheat sheet 唔係唔知 cheat sheet 有張job paper 你嚟嘅你畫出嚟。你自己亂啊！你畫出嚟，好似咁畫出嚟，咁你就知道啦。唔會計錯啦。So after I calculate that, you load at two angles. Why I want to load this angle? Because I want to load theta one. 點解我要呢兩 angle 啊？我想知道 theta one 啫嘛。Because three angle in a line, someone feel in a line of 180. 三個加埋180度 ，2 pi。所以嚟講就三個之後計咗出嚟咧 ，pi minus 5 over alpha two， 咁你就揾到佢 angle 咁啫嘛。Why I want to find out that angle? Because I want to find out OC。點解揾佢啊？想揾 OC 啫嘛。咁OC 嚟講，唔係 OC 嚟講 ，OC 揾到個 link 啊。因為我有個 point， 咪揾到 OC 咯。OE 等於 R， OK， 當你有呢條線，有呢條線，有呢個 angle，OK， 咁我就可以揾到呢兩個 angle 啦。啊，咁啊 theta two 點咁樣你揾到呢個 angle 咧？就係咧 side loop 邊角。邊角 ，OK， 咩叫邊角咧 ？Side loop is what is side loop? Side loop is OK, if I take A, B, C, that angle is angle A, that angle is angle B, that angle is angle C. Side loop is side OK A divided by side A equal to B divided by side B equal to C divided by side C。嗱，呢度嘅基本嘅 OK 三角幾何記得啊 ，OK， 所以佢哋係咁樣除啦。咁啊，點解我要揾呢個 length 同呢個 angle 咧？我呢個 length 對面 angle 就 theta one。呢個 length 對面嘅 angle 就 theta two， 明唔明啊 ？OK， 我有呢兩條 length 嘅 angle 的話，我用 side loop 就揾翻埋呢個 theta two。OK， 咁就咁樣方法揾咩 theta two 啦。OK，then you know that the angle in a triangle, summation angle triangle is what is？OK, summation angle triangle is 180 degree. That means I 三個加埋就180度嘛。OK， 咁你咪揾到 theta B 咯。OK, so your aim is I want to find out theta B。最主要揾到 theta B 啊。OK， 咁你哋知道呢度住咗幾多嘛 ？OK, then I know theta B not enough. I want to know the theta 4 also, but I have no cannot know the theta 4。Then what you find out？ 嗱呢個嚟講有啲同學搞錯咗啊，成日都係我冇畫得清楚俾你聽，我都畫翻俾你睇。Alpha phi is this angle。Alpha phi 係依個 angle， 就唔係依個 angle。OK， 咁你就睇我個 answer 你咪搞錯。Alpha phi is this angle。OK， so this angle 如果係 O and B。Then tangent alpha phi, okay, O to B, you can find alpha phi. Okay, then 跟住嚟講咧 ，okay, is this angle alpha phi? Then I extend that to a triangle. That angle is alpha phi, 係嘛 ？So that is a triangle. So 180 minus alpha 2 and alpha b, alpha 2 係 low, alpha b 係 low, then you can find theta 4，係嘛？我變咗呢個 triangle 嚟㗎嘛 ，OK 就咁樣揾到 theta 4啦 ，OK then you have also theta 4 OK then you find theta 4 OK now the angle OBE BOE that means the angle. OK, theta phi 同 theta 4 ，theta phi 同 theta 4就OBE。點解我要揾個 angle？ Why I need to find out BOE？ 點解揾 BOE 啊 ？The aim of finding BOE is I want to find out the length of that arc。呢條線幾長啊？OK 嗱，唔使記識嘅都得㗎。呢條線幾長？如果我揾得 OBE 的話，我知道圓周係乜嘢啊？派 D 係咪？或者 2 派 R 係咪啊？圓周成個圓周。一個 section 係點多啊？乘翻去 angle BOE 除翻成日卷係幾多啊？360度咪咯？嚇？哦係，多咗2次，2 派啊，多咗2次。睇你可以用呢個得㗎啦。OK 嗱，所以你唔記得 equation 唔緊要。OK 好簡單。所以點解我要揾 OBOE？因為我要揾呢條 link。點解揾呢條 link？原因係我要有 LA。OK， 燒下定要 get 燒 order experiment。你 order experiment 就得㗎啦，燒 LA OK 即刻嚟 R 知道咗啦，就計咗出嚟啦，係嘛？即係上邊有晒㗎啦。OK， 考試721一定俾你燒，問題不必要同啲。OK， 不必要 ，so 不必要 yes easy the weight multiplied by area here。你將啲 area 就乘翻不必要，係嘛 ？OK， 咁嘅 area 點計呢個？我知個 sector 嘅 area 減翻呢兩個3個 area， 係咪啊 ？OK，sector area 嚟講 ，OK， 你忘記 equation 點算啊？派 R square 就係個圓形嘅面積啦，乘翻頭先知個 angle 個 BOE 除翻360度，已經係 area 啦，係嘛？跟住呢兩個咧，我減咗呢兩個就得咯。呢兩個 area 係幾多啊 ？OK， 多 equation 咧，我哋嘅3輪 equation area 係另外一個嘛 ，OK， 等於 AB sin theta 啦，2/1 AB sin theta 係嘛？其實基本上呢個同埋3角形嘅 equation 一樣嘅。OK， 只要我揾到兩個 AB 同埋夾咗 theta， 呢條拎有啦，呢條拎有啦，2/1 AB 依個 theta， 呢條拎有啦，呢條又有啦，2/1 AB 呢個 theta 都計到晒啦。OK， 所以跟住落嚟撳乜嘢啊？area sector 呢條 equation 忘記到記唔到唔緊要，記到用佢，記唔到用我頭先條意識。OK， 然後再減翻呢2/2 AB sin theta， 呢個減呢兩個，即係呢個減呢個減呢兩個。OK， 呢個就係呢度啦，呢度就呢度啦。呢度啦，一減出嚟就係 area。呢個 area 乘翻 density 就係 weight， 乘翻 density 就 weight， 簡單，係嘛 ？OK， very easy。OK， very easy for me。So you can calculate the weight, and then here. One more thing, D. This question I given you. If I don't given you, 如果唔俾你咧，點算 I may give you centroid of a sector. The center of sector. What is that equation? Okay. Google 都有啦。Centroid of sector. Is a sector of centroid is 2 R sine alpha over 3R. Or, you're using that one is 4R with alpha over here. 咪一樣咁計嘅OK. So yes, I using that. Can you find it out? Central sector. Center segment, center sector. I give you okay equation. You give you an equation, okay, and I found okay what is the centroid or the sector. 咁我揾得到 centroid or sector 由呢度對到嚟中間呢個。Okay, to outside find theta. Okay, then there is two outside alpha. Side alpha is half of the angle POE, for example 嘅 over PR. Okay, 咁我而家用呢個啊。Okay, pay attention that. You're using that alpha it is radius. 如果用呢個啊 alpha radius 嚟㗎，你轉翻做 radius 啦 ，OK。Then you find out that length, then you can convert it into that and that length. 你可以將佢變翻係呢個闊度，呢個長度。Okay, okay. So, you find out that length, okay, then, okay, I can using that to train it to the angle. Okay, so, how can I do that? 你會點做咧 Okay, first I calculate that. Okay, you need to find out that angle. 呢個 angle 啊，中間 angle 啊，你呢個嚟就 theta 3得 theta 2啦 ，theta 3 theta 2就除4啦嚇。That angle will be you can have a lot of different way。你一個方法就係我呢嚿嘢減90減 alpha p。就揾到個 angle 係嘛 ？OK， 揾到個 angle， 呢個 angle I call it OK beta 1 for example。Then that angle is beta 3 plus beta 4 minus beta 1。Okay, then you're using that. Okay. The angle then 90 degrees minus the angle, you can find that angle beta 2. Beta 2. Okay. You have that length cosine. 呢個 length 啊 Okay, that length cosine beta 2. You find the distance. 咁你就揾到呢個 distance 啦，係嘛 ？Okay, that distance.Okay, it's the distance of that sector. 嗰個 distance sector 啦 ，OK So the distance of the sector, I call it HS. Okay, then what is the center of that piece? I call that one. I found one. Okay, then you find out the other.The length, okay, the distance, okay, of that triangle. 跟住 triangle 啊，你中間啊 ，OK， 升嚟啊，你揾一個我揾一個 triangle 嚟講啦，我揾第二條線啦嚇。呢個 theta 4除2拉條線出嚟 ，OK， 呢嚿嘢。嘅1/3，OK， 你揾翻呢條 link， OK， 再揾翻呢一個長度 ，OK， 呢個就係一個 triangle 個 distance。OK， 然後呢嚿嘢你就揾翻 OK 呢個嘅1/3。OK， 然後再揾翻長度。點樣咧？最後嚟講 ，OK， I got S 啦 ，S1、S2， 你有3個 area 噶嘛 ？OK， 個 sector 嘅 area， 即係之前計咗出嚟啦 ，sector area。OK，sector area 係邊個啊 ？sector area 依個嘛係嘛 ？OK，sector area 乘咗 S area 減以 OK 第一個 triangle area。OK，area of the triangle 1乘以 S1， 再減以 area of the triangle 2乘以 S2。OK，divided by 最後乜嘢？呢一個 sector area， 呢個 sector area 就呢一個咯，計咗。OK， 呢個 sector 嘅 area。OK，final sector area。OK，the small sector. I thought that one. Okay, that is the center. 呢個係 center 啦。OK, a little bit difficulty. You had time to try your best to create equation. 有時間可以創造 equation。點 create 啊？好似我咁樣咯，慢慢睇咯。OK， I cannot create it very difficult for me. Congratulations, you have lost 5 now. 你如果真係唔得的話，咁你咪少咗5分。OK， as I cannot make everybody is equal 嘛。我唔可以令到所有人都同一個分嘅，咁啊少少難度啦。咁基本上呢個其實係幾好玩嘅。實際上出邊做嘢好多時候咧，我哋就鬥呢啲咁嘅嘢，臨尾真真正正搞到嚟講，最後搞唔掂嚟講就要砌嘅，慢慢砌呢嚿嘢。咁當然嚟講，出面做嘢就多啲時間俾你砌啦。測完考試冇時間砌啦。如果有個唔知衰風量咩人啦，有個先知喺度同你預先張揚咁咯，咁你咪有時間砌咯。OK Peter 問答Peter好？點樣啊？可以㗎，好多方法㗎，可以好多方法㗎。試下砌咯，大家砌咯咁。我砌完出嚟嚟講，你中意砌完出嚟講條 equation 可以放落去個cheat sheet 度㗎，你可以自己我唔你知唔知係 Peter 4？即係你 beta 4嗰度嗰隻咁你再加埋 beta 1，即係個變 C 方。唔係 beta， 唔係 beta 1，beta 4。我寫錯咗。beta 4，即係呢個整個角減翻 beta。OK， 係啊。我搞錯咗添，有少少。1分上 beta 2，然後依嚿數嘅隨意，咁咪就中間嘛，中間 angle 咪呢個 ，OK， 佢哋中間斬個 angle 咯，咁就即係 sector 中間 angle 咯，即係 beta 4就係依個整 angle 啦，佢中間個 angle， 然後減咗呢個就變成依個 angle。 啊，你試下呢度問 AI 問唔到？啊，問到你咧，你試下。啊，咁你第日就好痛苦。你試下，真係錄到。OK， 得啦。跟住嚟講 ，OK， 你做錯嘢，計錯數，冧咗落嚟，跟住人哋拉你，你話咩啊？我問 AI。set 題 set 材 set 題 set 材 OK 得啊 OK 咁啊 OK 嘅 equation 你可以再諗一諗出嚟，點砌出嚟 OK 啊咁啊 engineer 嚟講即係往往係咁砌嘅啊咁啊少少難度啦個 set 材，咁我想令到一樣嘢變成真實，有一日你真係要計，有一日。你真係要做啊！咁啊變咗 G.O 要入嘅，睇你點做啊？嚇 ？OK， 即死啊！又圓規加兩個氣，即死。AutoCAD 都死，係啊！你點解釋翻 G.O 睇？啊，你去。G 唔係 G.O 話 B.D 啊 ，B 唔係啊 G.O 係 OK， 佢推卸唔到責任的話你就死。啊。都得嘅，你入就到咯。啊，我哋有時做嘢咧係真係試過嘅，用 AutoCAD 嚟 pick up 啲嘢 ，pick up 啲數。啊，聽啲數嚟度完之後，俾 G.O comment，OK， 咁啊 G.O comment 的話，佢就會問一樣嘢：我係唔係要送你 pick up 嘅數咧？你點證實到你 pick up 數係啱咧？咁你話我從AutoCAD 度 pick up， 咁你係咪想我從你個 AutoCAD 度 pick up 咧？我邊有時間咁同你 pick up 咧？最後嚟講，佢只不過想同你講一樣嘢：你唔交條 equation 出嚟，我就發你職。嚇！話你明唔明可以嘅？你咪你俾翻條嘢俾我咯，又係你可以做嘅嚇。咁你咪裏面嗰扎嘢，總之你 work out 咗嚿嘢出嚟，你擺喺度。臨尾嚟講，我唔知我呢嚿嘢，我最緊要我唔會上身。臨尾嚟講，我就將你嘅放上去 ，OK， 俾放上法庭，有咩事你賴嘢，永遠都諗嘢 ，OK。咁另一個方法嚟講咧，你就可以用呢個啊。我 cut 一個斜波，我哋將佢斬開兩橛，呢個可能仲容易啊，可能仲容易啊。OK， 呢一嚿嘢你揾佢嗰個呢個嘅 centre，OK， 然後揾呢個三角形 ，OK， 嗰度 centre， 係你都要揾㗎，你都要揾 OK 1/3嘅，係啊。OK， 然後兩個加埋去，呢個 centre 就兩個加埋去。另一個方法係啊，呢個可能快啲，因為佢得兩個啊嘛，冇咗三個。cycle 係咁㗎啦。即係你中間會真係好容易出錯嘅。係啊，係咁咋。OK， 呢個 OK，the other way，maybe you using that way， 你可以用呢個方法啊。呢個就少啲嘢。So， in fact， in your something paper， 因為明白好 OK， two equation are given you， 兩個 equation 俾晒你㗎。OK， 咁啊中間斬開啦。OK， 咁啊依個 setter， 依個深度俾咗你。OK， then you convert it into that equation， 你變成咗呢個長度，呢個長度啦。OK 嚇 ，then this one yet 1/2， 三分一啊，去三分一嚟講，呢個容易好多其實係，我呢條線嚇 ，OK 呢個拉過去三分一，呢條線。你揾翻呢條線，然後佢嘅三分二，呢個三分二啊，呢度三分二啊，即係三分二就係呢度啊。呢條線嘅三分二 ，OK， 你揾到條線之後，揾到一個 angle，OK， 呢個嘅 cosine 三分二就變成係呢嚿嘢嘅 centroid，OK， 呢個 cosine 三分二。呢嚿嘢 centroid。Okay, I said that within the centroid it is S that one is S triangle T. Okay, so the combined sector combine 咗就變咗就好簡單啦，變成係the centroid 就係 area of 依個 sector。OK， 呢個 sector 嚟講，你要計翻個 triangle 咯，分開計嘅咯。你計嗰個 triangle 的話，你頭先計嘅 sector 減咗 triangle 咧 ，OK， 等變咗呢個咧，你計一計啦。OK， 你 area 咧，你計翻依個長度，呢個長度我哋冇計過嘛 ，AB 然後 sin theta，OK， 你計埋 angle 啦，咁計咗出嚟咧。然後我哋 sector area 有呢個啦，係咪啊？呢個 area 有啦，減咗個 triangle 之後就揾到呢個 sector。OK， 咁於是揾到兩個 angle 之後咧，你就依個 angle 乘依個 angle 咧就變成咧 area of 依個 triangle 乘翻 OK 你依個 xt 再加上 area of 依個 sector。呢個 sector 嚟講就 area 咯 sector 啦，就係嗰個頭先我揀嗰個啦，然後就 S，OK 嚿嘢，除翻我成個 sector， 頭先計呢個，成個 sector 就係呢個 area 啦，係嘛？成個 sector 個 area，OK，area 嗰個大 sector 啦，個 AS 啦，咁呢個咧就係去由呢個去到呢度嗰個angle 啦。嗰個叫做 centroid 啦，等我就 centroid 啦。呢個 centroid 之後放落呢條 equation 度，作為 D， 個 D 啊就係呢個，就係啦 factor 6啦。OK，I give you some difficulty what let you to try。OK，after you try， you may be very happy 俾你試一試 ，OK。試一試，試唔到會點啊？唔緊要，冇咗5分。OK， 試得到咧，攞埋5分咯。OK 咁點算啊？考試。That question will get question mark in the test. In examination, there will be 25 marks. Don't worry. 測驗嚟講，每一題會多啲啦30分啦呢題可能，但考試咧我冇辦法出到30分啊嘛，咪剛剛求過5分咯。OK， 咁考試嚟講，你睇下 assumption 啦，佢會俾翻個 D 你嘅，俾翻個 D 你唔使咁慘咯，計咁多嘢咯。但係測驗嚟講，試一試 有一啲難度咁樣，大家有啲時間去試下解決問題。OK， 咁啊。成嚿嘢咩？就 centre 係呢嚿嘢嘛，呢嚿 waste 咪到泥㗎嘛，到泥嘅 centre 嘛。example 咧就俾晒你嘅，如果你睇到碌屎，到碌屎係俾晒你嘅，但碌屎係低能嘅，係低能嘅，因為我咁樣俾晒你，低能攞寫計啦，乜都俾晒你，呢個 not realistic 㗎，呢個世界唔會有咁嘅現象發生。你要計數係嘛 ？not realistic 㗎，呢啲係俾你小朋友試一試條 equation 咁實際上嚟講，一定係好似我個情形咁樣嚟計一係用機嚟計用super window 嚟計冇用 super window， 我一定用手計咧，就一定有個方法，冇呢個 centre 會俾咗你嘅，係咪？OK， 咁試一試咯第日嚟講，你可能會有兩陣泥添喎，仲複雜嘅，可能有啲咁嘅現象。咁到時嗰陣可能會有啲再複雜啲嘅嘢嘅，色計。我哋以前做 consultant 嘅時候嚟講，就係呢啲全部都係要砌翻出嚟。點解計到？你知？你覺得點解要計得到咧？原因係逢身計身呢啲咁嘅數的話咧，基本上都係政府作，所以多啲時間俾你計。係基本上。如果我私人裝點解得閒咁樣計咧？你估？私人裝頭定阿孫嚟到算啦，揾條友仔咁同個 BD 嘅大佬就砌掂佢算啦政府 job 嚟講咧，我唔知大家做咗幾多政府 job 啦。政府 job 嚟講咧，係周不時會有啲咁嘅現象。GO 佢哋可能會同你講。我想咁樣試下，我想咁樣計下，我想就再從外角度了解。所以變咗嚟講，我哋啲assignment 2咧，我未改完有好多人都assignment 1我未改完啦，有可能都assignment 唔係 assignment 1嘅 question 2好多人都唔係咁掂啦。因為嚟講咧，邊啲人會好低分咧？就攞條 equation 出嚟，求其入條 equation， 我唔係入條 equation 啦。OK，我係要畫㗎，因為政府嚟講咧，逢身 column 嚟講咧，佢多數咧一出問題咧，佢就想畫出嚟。點解？我想知係個 behaviour 點樣變化，佢想知個變化咁嘅情形。因為逢身計的話就 ranking 嘅，多數係 OK 你計 ranking 啦。ranking 啲特別嘢，即係話佢開始覺得會古怪咧，佢就會 column 啦。逢咗 column 嚟講咧，我圖唔會我咁簡單嘅，佢仲複雜好多。其實應該先至會咁做。好多時候就 column 嚟講就永遠係想你玩。OK， 呢啲又變咗乜嘢咧？當你係大型師傅嘅，我唔想咩喎，就會咁做。OK， 佢想多啲角度去睇清楚嗰件事。呢個時候，我哋呢樣嘢要拎出嚟俾人哋審嗰陣時候嚟講，我有嘢出嚟所以變咗咧，呢啲嚟講咧，如果佢哋真係會出現的話咧，有機會嘅。如果出現的話咧，佢都會可能要你咁喎。如果出現呢種數的話，基本上最重要乜嘢？畫清楚張圖。OK，咁亦都有多個 exercise 俾大家去畫啦 OK，咁啊，仲有好多嘢個必索啊咁嘅嘢啊，咁啊嗰啲嚟講就可以日後啦，慢慢 OK 下堂我哋可以再講好多啲㗎啊。OK，this lesson you maybe some people had a lot of questions to me. Okay, some okay deeper okay about written word calculation. Consolidation settlement calculation and slope calculation. They had a lot of questions to me, and some people also want to learn more paper. Okay, next lesson I can tell you more. 下堂咧再講多少少俾你哋聽下一啲其他嘅 OK 啲數啊之類嘢。OK， and this lesson is OK this lesson is the lesson before test. We will have revision for the test again. 等下堂會再有啲 revision 啦。OK，maybe I will give you the